Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue working on our 3RACING M4 Sport Kit. We're going to be working on section 11, front and rear body post assembly. We have some leftover parts from bag 8, and we're also going to need parts from bag 9. Okay. We're going to be working on the front bumper first. So let's grab this piece right here, the bumper, which is this right here. The two body posts are actually in bag 8. It's going to be these right here. Okay, and then the bumper itself is going to go this way, I believe, like that. And then, oh, before we do that, the posts go on right here. So let's find that screw. It's going to be a flathead screw. And then the other side. Okay, and now we can drop in the, so we're going to push the post through those holes right there. So it's going to be this side. Okay, and then the upper bumper is this part right here. Screw. Okay, and now we're going to find the other flat screw, and there's one more. Now this is the front, so that right there is going to sit on the chassis like that. So it's going to go like this, and we're going to have the screw go in this way. Okay. And then we're going to find the post. So there's two sizes of rear posts here. I'm guessing that the short ones are for more of a sedan style body. I have a hatchback body, as you can see. So I think I'm going to go with the taller body post just in case. So it's real straightforward. What we're going to do is actually going to go this way, and it's going to go right there, and then this screw will go in this way. A little bit odd. Actually, I don't know what size this is. This M3, oh, it's, carefully, it's a screw. I need to grab a screwdriver. I think this one will be fine. Let's see. I need this. Same thing for the other side. Okay, and we're done. Let's move on to the next step. We're going to be gluing the tires, so let's grab that. All right, so these tires need to be glued, or are they already glued? Let's see. these look like they are pre-glued. Very cool. I don't know if you can see the shine, but there is glue on these tires already. So that means we can skip straight to the pin and the hex. So let's grab these. Let's cut all 4 of these out. And we need to find the pins. It's going to be one of these pins right here. And it's going to go through the hole in the axle right there. Like that. And if you have trouble, you can kind of just yank out the axle a little bit, and then that will line up with the hex. The pin will line up with one of these. All right, and then we're going to set the tire on. Then we're going to put a nut over it. Let's use this right now. So same thing, let's find another pin. Okay, and there we go. That was the last step of the chassis itself. The next step is obviously, if you bought the kit with the body, then you would build the body out with the mirrors and the spoiler and everything. But since I already have my body put together, and that's not the one that came with the car, this is a different body that I bought separately. And so I'm going to have to measure the holes and then cut those holes, and then I'll set them in, and I'll show you what that looks like when I'm done. Okay, as it turns out, I don't know if you saw the video for section 3, the front and rear suspension arm assembly, but we had to choose between the 225mm wheelbase and the 210. And at that time, I thought that my body was going to be 225, and I built it this way. And it ended up, when I was fitting the body, that it turned out to be 210 instead. So as you can see, the only difference is the rear arms are turned kind of backwards. This one's facing this way, where for the 210 it actually faces this way, and I've done that. It wasn't too difficult. I had to remove the suspension mount and kind of undo the damper and also the sway bar, and I had to flip the ball studs opposite. Kind of went this way, and that's all you need to do to change wheelbases. Then I use this Protoform race body kit. It helps you line up the holes with the body. They're magnetic. You place them on top of the body post, and you kind of mark where they are and kind of pre-drill a small dent, and then you use the punch to cut out the rest of the hole. So let me show you the final result. All right, and there it is. This is the Bittydesign HCM body, and as you can see, I have painted it the Marlboro livery. This is my favorite livery, probably of all of them out there today, and this body is really nice. It's really well built, and it fits the chassis pretty well. It is a 210 wheelbase, like I said, but we're all done. I'm looking forward to driving this, but I think I'm going to do just a quick build review video before I drive it, just to share some thoughts about how this kit came together. So look for that video very soon. So thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.